Welcome back, everybody. Take a look at the ride-sharing companies so far this year. Uber is up 75%. Lyft is down 4%. Lyft is holding its shareholder meeting today. So let's bring in Deirdre Bosa now for today's Tech Check. Deirdre, I got to imagine Lyft shareholders are not happy with that comparison.
To say the least, no. And Eamon, can you imagine if you were one of those Lyft drivers that was able to buy into the IPO before it went public? This is a stock that went public at $72. It's now trading at, what, 10 and change? But the backdrop for this shareholder meeting, it is very, very grim. The founders, they have stepped away from the day-to-day, and the company has lost some 85% of its value since that day it went public in 2019. Now, it is still bleeding money. It's been losing market share to Uber, and its new CEO, David Risher, who stepped into the position just a few months ago, has yet to prove himself to Wall Street. So there's a lot at stake today for him and the company at large, so much so that some analysts are wondering if it might just sell itself. Here's what Risher told me in his first interview taking over as CEO. If you cannot turn the business around, if Lyft continues to stay where it is or lose even more market share, is merging with another company an option?
It's not on my mind right now, to be honest, but I'd step back. I think there is a really strong case to be made for a really strong number two. You look at any market that's got, a couple competitors in it, you really want both of them to be strong, and I think that's where we're going to go.
So in a subsequent interview, though, he did soften that stance a little, saying that he's not focused on a deal, but he would be open to offers, which raises the question, Kelly and Eamon, who wants it?
Yeah, Deirdre, that's just what I was going to ask you. Kelly and I were talking about this during the break. Who is the suitor who comes in here? Is it somebody in private equity? Is it an activist investor? Is it Uber themselves? Does Meta want this? Are they going to have people wearing Apple headsets in there? What is this? What's the deal?
I think you're touching on an important point, and that is what Lyft does have is data. Years and years since the beginning of ride sharing, it actually started before Uber, data of what customers want to do. I don't think Uber wants that. It's got the clear number position, and it's only been growing that. Raise the question, a big tech company, right, like a Google that has a Waymo, maybe it could use Lyft's network or its existing customer base, but the regulators, I don't see that going through. A lot of analysts I speak to don't see that going through. Private equity, interesting, but this is a company still losing money that has cut a lot over the last year. So what else is there to cut? What can they do with this company? Automakers, that may be maybe the most interesting category. Yeah. Earlier on, when it was still a startup, Lyft took an investment from Cruise, so maybe there's something there for the network. But guys, I don't know. It's a big question.
I'm going to throw one out. What about
necessarily likely?
What about Tesla? Right? If you're in a position where you're creating automatic cars that are going to drive themselves, you might want some access to the data. At least that might be valuable for Tesla, which is a data company.
I don't know the exact numbers behind this, but I have a feeling Tesla might argue it has more data, right?
Data.
And say that they were way more advanced in the autonomous vehicle race. Because remember, Uber and Lyft, they were going there, but they've scaled that back so much since being public companies, since being under shareholder pressure.
So nobody. There's nobody left. There's nobody left to buy it.
Maybe Lyft itself can go.
Maybe.
Is the LBO market, how's that looking? We'll see. Deirdre, thank you very much. No, I'm just rambling at this point. Deirdre Bosa, we'll let you go.